I'm videotaping them. Watch.
Hold on for your life. We go really high. He's not really your grandma. Don't do this either. She'll beat me up.
Mikey, how old are you?
Chris, what are you doing? I'm like holding this side up now.
No. No, I want you to play outside. I'm doing something with it.
Really hurt. I wonder what happens when one of them lets go.
I don't know, bro. I'm just thinking the same thing. I'm about to go just let you know what's going on with you back up. I'm off of it. It's all you.
Alright.
Jake's crotch is the safety.
I'm back. Oh, right.
Your feet aren't going to be able to hit the ground ever. You're just going to have to hang on for the ride and I'll do the mechanics. This will work.
What are the red stuff on the trees?
Nothing but going for it at this point.
I don't know.
Ready? Alright.
Oh, yeah.
Ready?
You're gonna get the ball back first.
Oh, man.
You should be on the very back of that.
Yeah, good luck. Oh, man. How's it feeling, Andy?
Yeah, this is way easier. Get your hands.
Just kidding.
I ain't going down there. Last person went down there and seen slide 10 feet.
You guys gotta keep going. I have to get a picture of Jake from this point of view.
Hey, it's all Andy. He's the Iron Man now.
Oh yeah! I'm not a cowboy!
What's going on back there?
Oh, yeah.
Watch out, Jay. Back up a little.
I'm going for the big one.
Jane, back up. Get back up a little bit. You're gonna get hit by that big stick.
This is definitely Kentucky hillbilly shit, man.
Oh, shit. Intervention.
Ooh.
I'm all around, too.
Oh, sorry.
I'm going back that thing.